Hello,
Hello, teacher.
I'm Hans. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Lisa. I'm 13 years old. I'm from Vietnam. My hobbies are playing volleyball and badminton.
Okay, that's good.
Uh, there are four people in my family. They are my mother, my father, my brother, and me.
That's good. Okay. Okay, look here. Do you often go shopping?
Yes, I do.
How many ways can you shop?
I can shop in two ways:
Okay.
online and offline shopping.
Okay, online and offline shopping. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lantis
Lunchi supermarket. Where is it?
Is is in Tangier City.
Good. How often do you shop?
I often I often shop every day.
Every day. Oh, it means you are a shopaholic. Okay, what do you usually buy?
I usually buy food and drink.
Food and drinks. Okay, that's good. Who can go to Lunchy?
I like Lanchi.
Who can go to Lunchy?
Everyone can go there.
Everyone can go there. Why do you like Lunchy?
I like Lanchi because the things are beautiful and cheaper.
And cheaper. Okay, Lucy, we have two ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer online shopping.
I prefer.
I prefer online shopping
That's great. Why?
because it's uh, beau- beautiful and convenient.
It's beautiful and convenient. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, what's this?
Storm,
Storm, this,
forest fire,
this,
tornado,
and this.
uh,
What's this?
thunder.
Thunder. Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburger.
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your English teacher?
Teacher Mary.
Teacher Mary. Okay. That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.